Hi guys, welcome to another product focus. What we're going to be focusing on is the G.A.S. probe. We've been selling G.A.S. controllers now under the CarboAir brand for the best part of 3 years, and it's a great range. What we've done, we've upgraded the probe. So we've been working on this for well over 12 months to get it right. We've managed to find a chip which measures temperature and humidity, which works with the controllers, but it's got a PTFE covering on it, which allows it to take higher humidity. So now you can run your rooms at a higher humidity without fear of that probe failing and not drying back. So that's great news. All the controllers now come with a new probe. But what we have been doing when we've been searching for the perfect probe, we've come across this mushroom probe. This mushroom probe can go almost underwater, take it out, dry back and start working again. So that means when it's in the humidity stream from one of our powerful sonic air humidifiers, it can get absolutely saturated wet through, it will dry back out and start working again. It's used in high-end mushroom farms. It's not cheap, it's quite expensive, but it will never fail. We've tested it to destruction and it always dries back. When you're hanging the probe inside your grow room, always keep it away from the humidity stream of the humidifiers. Or when you're walking in spraying your plants with whatever you're spraying them with, always cover it up with a bag, spray what you're spraying, let it dry onto the plants and then take it off again. That's the only reason these probes fail, is when they get completely saturated wet, they don't dry back. But with the new PTFE covering on this probe, it will dry back, and with the high-end mushroom probe, it's guaranteed to dry back and start working straight again. Fantastic probe. It looks a little bit different. We've had to put a PCB in here to make it work with our controllers. If you want any information on the mushroom probe, just drop us a call. They're now available. Every controller what leaves us now has got the new probes. No more worrying about your probes failing. So hope that helps you out, guys. If you want any more information, just give me a call.